Welcome back to another video, man. Today's video is about the inside Lemmens around the world, and this is what it looks like. Now, this no-touch double revolution trick comes in two variants: the outside Lemmens and the inside Lemmens, which is what we'll be focusing on for now. Step 1. Learn to master at least 2 around the worlds in a row comfortably. You need to learn at least 2 around the worlds. Look, if you can do 3, 4, 5, bro, the idea is the more the better. The more around the worlds you can do, the better. Step 2. Learn to do a high waist height around the world or half around the world. I have tutorials for these basic tricks which I'll leave in the description below. Step 3. To get used to this trick, first try to let the ball bounce on the ground and then hop over it while performing 2 revolutions around the ball. When you get comfortable with that, you can try the same move but while juggling the ball. Step 4. Now all you have to do is just land the trick. So do a high around the wall while hopping a little off the ground, revolve around the ball twice, and then land the ball before it hits the ground. Now you may not land the trick on the first few tries, but you know, when you keep practicing, you're gonna get used to, and eventually you're gonna land it. Practice makes perfect, at least, you know, for this skill. Corny. Anyways, when you're learning the Lemmens, man, you're gonna need to hop off the ground to get your foot around the ball due to its height. But when you master this trick, you won't need to hop as much anymore. And that's it for the end of the video. If this helps you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials, man. And I hope y'all enjoyed these videos, and I'll see y'all in the next tutorial. Peace out.